guys, welcome to my free group Vegan Evolution Club. I'm so excited to see you here. I am so happy you found us. Because if you found us already, it means that you are considering moving to the vegan lifestyle. Or maybe you are already moving in this direction. Or maybe you are already vegan and you are just exploring different sides of vegan lifestyle. Anyway, to become vegan, it was the best decision in your life, and I'm happy you're here. Here in this group, you can get any necessary help on your way to vegan lifestyle. Any necessary help, including personal coaching. We will look with you in the different difficulties, and there are plenty of difficulties on your way to become vegan, because actually vegan lifestyle, it's not just a diet. It is not a diet. It is not just eating habits. It is completely different mindset, completely different life, different world. And welcome to this vegan world. I'm Roxanne Phoenix, and this is my son.
I'm Nikita Phoenix. I'm 12 and I've been vegan for almost 4 years now.
Yes, he's vegan for almost 4 years now, and I'm vegan for 5 years now. And this is Bunny Kuzya, and this is Bunny Masha, and of course they're vegan. They are vegan also, да, Kuzya? I want to tell you how actually I became vegan, because you may think it is funny, but from the very beginning I absolutely rejected the idea of even thinking about becoming vegan, because from the childhood we were taught that animal food, animal products are so important that we really need it, that if we will not eat it, it means that we will die and we will be sick. And I was raised on the animal products, and for me it was really very hard to consider vegan lifestyle. But it happened that my daughter, yes, I have daughter, she is 26, Nikita is my younger child. She became vegan the first in our family, and I still continue my song, no, you have to eat meat, you have to drink milk, etc., 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 etc. Until once my friend, she invited me for dinner with movie, and I was so happy to go for dinner with movie, and it was a free event, dinner with movie evening, and I appeared in the cinema where we were watching the film Earthling. And you know, I left from the cinema actually vegan. Not absolutely vegan, but I dropped absolutely meat and chicken that time, and I started the fight with myself about cheese and fish. And to tell you the truth, this step I made just for animals, because in the film, when you see all these things, I think honestly that this film has to be seen by everybody. And I left this film turning into totally, completely different direction, which I rejected from the beginning, and I started my way in becoming vegan. And that moment I was absolutely sure that I will be sick, I'm going to lose my hair, I'm going to lose my nail, my teeth will go out, and I'm going to become really sick person because I will stop to eat animals products. But I was actually ready for this because I didn't want to participate in cruelty towards animals. And you know what? In a few months, I noticed that I'm losing weight and getting in shape easily without any dieting and without any special efforts. And then I noticed that my energy level is going up and up and up. And you know, I was so surprised, and I was so pleasantly surprised, and I started to research what actually veganism is. And then I discovered that by turning into vegan lifestyle, you are improving significantly your health, your energy level. What is very important now, your immunity. You are extending your lifespan. And this is the absolutely minimum what you can do now for our planet, for the environment. By turning into vegan lifestyle, you are participating in saving the world. And you are saving the animals. So there are three things together what you are doing. You are saving the planet, you are saving the animals, and you are saving yourself. And now 5 years later, I feel way better than it was 5 years before. And now 5 years later, I am a certified vegan nutrition health coach, and I am certified life coach. And I'm happy to help you to become healthy and to save the planet. And I'm sure Bunny Kuzya and Bunny Masha, yes, they are happy that we are... Моє сонечко, поцілуй маму, поцілуй маму, поцілуй маму, поцілуй маму, поцілуй маму. Ну, поцілуй маму. Моє сонечко. І мамина сонечко. Поцілуй маму. And my son, of course, he is also vegan. He became vegan after he watched Dominion. Yeah, Dominion is a film similar to Earthling. Earthling was filmed by United States company, and it is about the animal agriculture and all the exploitation of animals all over the world. And Dominion is our Australian movie. So Dominion turned him into clearly vegan. And now he is bigger than me, stronger than me. What can I say? We are never sick. And I think that now in this time of uncertainty, in this time when we can't really understand what will be tomorrow, it is very important to be healthy. It is very important to be healthy and to be able to fight any virus. In this group, you will get any necessary help on your way to vegan lifestyle. I feel this is my mission, to turn into veganism as many people as I can. And this is what I am doing. Welcome. Welcome to the Vegan Evolution Club.
Stay safe, stay sane, stay healthy. With best regards from Kuzya and Masha.
Yes, best regards from Kuzya and Masha.